Today, we're going to explore the 3D spin transition, a dynamic and creative way to elevate your edits. Let's get started. First, add two clips to your timeline and place them back to back. These will be the foundation for our seamless spin effect. Next, go to the effects library in the top left corner of the edit page. Navigate to video transitions and look for the spin transition. Drag and drop the spin transition between your clips. By default, it adds a fun rotational effect that flips one clip into the next. Now, click on the transition in the timeline and head over to the inspector. Here, you'll find several customization options like spin left, spin right, spin up, and spin down. These allow you to choose the direction of the spin that best fits your creative vision. You can also adjust the rotation angle, duration, and even add ease in or ease out to make the motion smoother. Experiment with these settings to get the perfect look for your project. In addition to this, you can also enable motion blur for this transition by checking this button here. Tweak different settings that are available here to enhance the motion blur. For an even more dramatic effect, combine the 3D spin with sound effects. This adds realism and makes the transition pop. And that's it. You've created and customized a 3D spin transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DaVinci Resolve tips.